today. So we're going to film for GMA's iJuander TV show. We're going to Litang Pakdal, where you can find the Baguio Bamboo Sanctuary. And then in the afternoon, we're going to Dominican Mirador Hill for the Mirador Peace Memorial. Ito yung cameraman ko / assistant / water boy. Lahat-lahat na. Hello everyone! Andito kami ngayon sa Bamboo Eco Park dito sa Baguio. So I will continue the vlog. We just took some shots dun sa entrance. Now we're going inside just to take some photos and videos that we will submit to GMA. So tara na sa loob ng Bamboo Eco Park. Dito tayo sa Liting. If you're here in Baguio, you can definitely visit it, especially if you want to see more of Baguio. So this is opened. It's inside the St. Xavier Seminary. May registration lang, wala namang babayaran. Just registered, they checked our temperature, and we will now go inside. Going to the entrance. We're here at the entrance of, well, the exact entrance of the Bamboo Eco Park. Katatapos ko lang maglakad back and forth for more shots. But anyway, this is what it looks like, everyone. It's so nice. The gazebo is so pretty. So cute. I feel like I'm in a European fairy tale. Magandang mag-film ngayon kasi wala masyadong tao. Yan, ang ganda ng araw. Saglit. Makikita ang ani? Ato. Naghahanap po kami ng location kung saan magandang mag picture taking para Instagrammable. And this looks like a nice area. It's better than kung saan kami nag film kanina. So we're going to do a few more runs here. Wow, it's such a nice place. Yan. So, since Monday today, wala masyadong tao. Dalawang grupo pa lang nakita namin. Meron 23 species of bamboo according doon sa tarpaulin na nabasa namin. So, ngayon, merong color, parang yellow or brown, very light brown. Depende sa outfit mo kung saan mo gustong pumuesto. Meron din namang green. Yan. Ayan o. So, kayo ang bahala. At least may ganyan, medyo faded ang color. Or ganito. So, the theme of the GMA iJuander show or episode na film namin is hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng bansa para i-enjoy yung mga scenes na makikita mo din sa ibang lugar or ibang
Kulang na lang
bansa.
dito, mga panda.
Sa ibang bansa. So for example, dito sa Baguio Bamboo Eco Park, madaming bamboo. Para katuloy nasa Japan, para kang nasa isang Japanese forest. Buti na lang nagpahiram yung sister ko ng coat kasi sa totoo lang napakalamig ngayon. Kahapon hindi namin napansin pero 11 degrees kahapon. Although lumabas kasi kami malapit ng lunchtime, sobrang lamig pag uwi namin. Balik na tayo. I think we're done. We're done with taking photos and videos. Tapos, guys lang kami saglit. Transfer files. And then, go to the next location after lunch. See you. Everyone, we're here at Mirador Hill. It is a Jesuit seminary and we're going to interview the general manager, Father Kilong Kilong, about the newly opened Peace Memorial that you will see later in the vlog. See you. Hello everybody, we're here in Dominican Mirador Hill where we just shot some scenes for the GMA iJuander series episode this January, and Father Kilong Kilong invited us for coffee and champorado inside, so we'll go inside. It's actually a very nice place. Thank you so much for allowing us to film inside. So let's eat. Everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. So behind me is the Mirador Hill Peace Memorial, which has become a tourist destination, especially for local travelers. And it has a wonderful view. Normally, meron tayong nakitang sea of clouds, but right now, makapal ang hamog. And it's quite chilly, kaya tamang-tama ang ating coat and turtleneck. Kasama ko din dito si Jerome. Pakita ka dito sa aking vlog. Okay. And kumukuha lang kami ng shots. So, one thing about the Peace Memorial is that matagal na itong hill na ito. Una, nagamit siya nung Spanish era. Nagamit din na kuta ng mga Hapon. And overlooking this area kasi is actually Nagilian, kung saan pwedeng pumasok ang mga Amerikano nung World War II. So naglagay sila ng canyons dito para diretsong matatamaan ng mga Americans na manggagaling sa La Union. And this is the only way for them to go up Baguio kasi. So tamang-tamang may canyons. But the Japanese were overpowered na ibalik ang seminary, and last year was actually the 75th anniversary of the end of World War II, which is why the Peace Shrine was built. It's just wonderful to have a symbol of peace here dahil this hill has lots of memories and lots of historical value when it comes to war. But it's wonderful that a sign of peace has been built here by our Jesuit priests. Hello everyone, madilim na. It's dawn. And thank you so much for watching this video. Kasama ko si Jerome. Hello! Ayan. So we had so much fun doing this shoot or this stint with GMA, and we want to thank them so much, especially Ms Lynette who saw our videos and contacted me for us to do this with them. So thank you so much. And aside from that, thank you also to the Baguio Bamboo Eco Park and the Mirador Hill Peace Memorial Management. Yan, especially kay Father Joe. So, thank you so much po sa pag-entertain sa amin. Thank you so much to everyone. If you like this video, please give it... Oh yeah, kay Dad na nag-drive sa amin sa kung saan-saan. At, oo, magsusundo. So, that's it. We learned so much from this activity. Kahit na nakakapagod, everything was worth it pa rin. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share to your friends, family members, loved ones, everybody. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and we will see you on the next one. Bye!